Alright, hopefully a quick video. Yeah, right. JavaScript, spelled funny. JavaScript. Anyway, Piro made a video, development stuff. So we're going to talk about website stuff, and so, yeah, you know, if that's your interest, you know, go find something else to do. Professor Anton's got an interview. Yeah, that would be good. I'm going to watch it. I know it's just going to annoy the hell out of me. Anyway, yeah, first off, he did this JavaScript one. He did one on the two websites and such, and the whole resource management, whatever you want to call that discussion. So anyway, I'll talk about that first. Yeah, I'm still thinking I want a place where we can upload videos and protect them and do all that crap and not just do this organization thing. But this organization thing is sort of important. So that's sort of what I'm looking at. So, well, I guess I'll go to this comment. Just at Fred. Spent over an hour trying to register, log on, and you doubled. Sorry, broken is broken does. Yeah, Fred is deliberately limiting registrations. I don't exactly know the theory behind that. Me and Fred don't communicate directly, which is probably not a good thing, as we're sort of working towards the same ends, but we're doing them completely independently, which is kind of funny. So, yeah, I'm really not trying to step on his thing. But yeah, we just have a different way of looking at this, sort of, I think. And he likes the small community thing. I want to try to do the big community thing. And so it's kind of a different perspective. He's social media. I'm fuck being social on the internet. Let's get something fucking done. Yeah, so it's sort of a different attitude. So yeah, they're probably. I think we're compatible, and I will support whatever he does and help in any way I can. But yeah, I just don't know if we would be we'd be very good on the same board of directors. Yeah, I don't think so. Anyway, it's irrelevant to the point here. So yeah, I'm very supportive of whatever Fred's doing. But yeah, the idea of not having the registrations, I don't really understand. You can just kill accounts, and you know they're so easy to kill. Yeah, it's so easy to kill things. Just let it grow and then kill it. Anyway, so Piro, here's Piro's other technicals. Yes, the two websites and the idea of the server thing. So yeah, I'm all for the server thing, and you know, as we've discussed, I'm willing to invest however I have to invest, and I can either, you know, one way or the other. So figure a couple of months just to get what I want to get done here done. Which is, I mean, I want to do something with this photo thing, so I want to make a little app that that'll allow people to upload MP3s with photos, you know, instead of doing videos, as another resource. And like I, you know, these little things I do with the JavaScript. I mean, I want to make a JavaScript page that just uses the resources of this thing that allows people to have accounts and all this kind of crap. So slowly but surely, I'm going to break this page down as I can learn this PHP crap, and you know, I think it'll be important to have these the ability to you know, do the controlled keywords, you know, the tags, all that stuff. I really want to work on, and you know, then the you know, just make it all more coherent, and then you know, when it's time to start uploading videos on a server, yeah, I'm all for it. You know, I have some old script somewhere, you know, with a little uploader. Maybe I'll use that to start with and just let people upload, you know, files that'll play in this packed player thing. You know, because the uploader comes with this software. I can't, so far anyway. I mean, I haven't filled with it hard yet. Maybe it doesn't take much work to fix the PHP, so it'll actually just upload a video instead of trying to convert it. But so far, I haven't been able to break it from its desire to convert the video, which I don't want it to do. And I would just let people upload videos as long as they're not, you know, I mean, stupidly large. You know, let them convert them into a playable format before it's uploaded. I think it's just rational resource management, to tell you the truth. I don't know even why YouTube doesn't do it. They ought to encourage people to put the video in the proper form before they upload it. Save server work. Just makes sense. And so I definitely think that's a sensible thing to do, is to have the resource on people's, have that on the client side, you know, the conversion, and have the server worrying about you know, displaying web pages, which is its job, instead of wasting its time clunking away converting videos into proper formats. So anyway, there was some other crap features I wanted to talk about. But yeah, it's just getting a format that actually works. I still haven't figured out exactly, you know, I have grouped videos in terms of a debate structure, but I got to figure out some way to get the debate to be in this premise form, you know, sort of Darwin Hamster was talking about. I like that idea, so I'd like to work out that. So, you know, this sort of stuff has to get done anyway. I mean, the interface part has to be there. There's no real point in uploading videos if we don't have an interface for them to be presented in. Oh, excuse me. So, yeah, I say do this first, and then, you know, in a couple of months, blah blah blah. So maybe just you know, look in the catalogs for a server and make sure you got a place where you got a good whatever T3 line connection or whatever your stuff is you're going to do. If you're going to locate, yeah, because it would make sense if we're going to have our own server that one of us actually can touch it and fix it. You know. Make sure it's working and all that crap. But yeah, it's doable. So, you know, I still plan on doing it if we can pull it off. So, yeah, I haven't changed my perspective any. I'm just saying, I'm conceding that this has to be done first. You got to do the interface, has to be ready for the content providers. And I think we worked out a lot of that. You know, we've talked it through, and maybe we'll talk it through some more. So anyway, on the subject, yeah, I really like JavaScript myself. You know, I've talked about, well, you know, I'll just do a quickie demonstration. Yeah, where's the thing I'm looking for? Videos. Yeah, that would be, it's a simple button. Hit the button, and there's the videos. You see, there's not very many on that page, though. That sucks. Well, anyway, it should still work. So if I use one of my tools, I have to hit it twice because it has to get rid of this crap. But anyway, you know, I had this little game thing that was completely made out of JavaScript, and you know, game the page there to see if it works. Yeah, and so it just shows all the images, and you could take out ones you didn't like. And then you can't really see this, but it says game those, and it just creates a little concentration game. See, it's doing it in this stupid PHP page that I don't know how it screws up the... There's no body to the page. The body is broken or something. Yeah, because it doesn't... The background image doesn't go all the way down the page. I don't even know how they do that. It's screwed up. But anyway, you know, you can test your brain tester, concentration, or whatever they call this. So far, I have found all... Ooh, there. See, you can't forget him. Yeah. So, yeah, I matched two. Oops, didn't want to hit that. Whoops, that was a mistake. Whoops, that was a mistake. I'll try one. One is always lucky. Except for now. Whoops, that's the wrong blue background. Anyway... Oh, that was a neat image. Alright, enough of this shit. Ooh, there's a match. So anyway, yeah, and that's Java. It's just, you know, JavaScript can do some interesting things. Yeah. So, yeah, I like it, generally speaking. So let's see, where was I? See, if I did it on this page, we do have these Professor Anton and Matter Mystic videos, and so, you know, it should also work. And no active element. I don't know what that means. It's rejecting. It's rejecting it. No active element. Please check. Please click on the page. Oh, I didn't make an active element. I have to click on the page somewhere. I have to follow my own instructions. And then it doesn't give me back the same page anyway. So that was sort of fail. Concede that. I like that being watched option. That's sort of interesting. So now it should work. So it's just about this addressing because I'm masking the domain name, so it kind of screws up JavaScript getting into the page. It's hard to insert JavaScript into a framed page. It's a little complicated. So yeah, lots more images. Yeah, I can get rid of ones I don't like. The old clunkers. YouTube, yeah, get rid of that evil piece of shit. And then you just say game it. And so then I could just play them. Whoops, play again. I'll load them all. There we go. So I just load all the little images. I can make them bigger. And la 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 la. Well, I shouldn't have made them bigger while it was loading. So if I say start, stop, that should fix. Well, yeah, I gotta wait till they're all loaded before I enlarge them, I guess. But anyway, it doesn't really matter. Yeah, this is just sort of a waste of time, yep. But so, yeah, so you can, pages that have a lot of different images on it, you can do interesting things. I used to have this so you could save the game, and then you could have it uploaded so somebody else could play the game with the same images. I have to fix that, but I just haven't gotten around to it. People aren't interested. I'm saying, little stuff that entertains me doesn't entertain anybody else on earth. It's really depressing. And that's sort of the downside of this whole website-y thing, is that you're just, you're just kind of stunned at some of the crappy view numbers these videos get. I mean, most viewed. I mean, I haven't done bad on some of these videos because, they're linked from my website, but 8 views? I mean, come on. These are 12, 19, and it's got a freaking elf in it. 18 views for an elf. I mean, it's just kind of depressing that there's just such a small audience for this content. And you're just like, what the fuck? Humans suck. At least that's how I'm looking. I mean, I just, 7 billion people, and it's 14 people are give a fuck? What the hell is that? Yeah, I don't get it. But anyway, we'll see how it goes. And such. Yeah. That's about all I got to say about that. Alright, so yeah, just a little development video. Fred's adding different little things, but some of this stuff I don't think is going to be of much use. He had added whatever it was, a little swirly thing with the, whatever you call it, tags in it and stuff, but I think it was screwing up the comments again. Which is fixable. I mean, all you gotta do is, I'm going to change the link on mine, so once I get around to doing it, all you need is a JavaScript link that'll basically just tell it to ask for the comments again, because the ask is being ignored because of the order it came in. It was busy doing this other crap at the same time the comment ask went out, and so you just have to re-ask. So all somebody would have to do to stop it from asking would be just to re-click the ask, and then it'll get the comments properly. So, but there's all these little crap you gotta figure out about how to make this stuff work better. So that's about all I got to say about that, I guess. And such. So yeah, I'm behind in my videos here. I gotta do the rest of the Professor Anton video I didn't finish because I ran out of memory on the camera. And there's that other little putsy, there's a guy, he's an alright guy, but he's just sort of annoying. Let's see, where is he? Yeah. See, that's the good thing. See, the thing, these are just the debate videos for the free will. So I can either format them in rows, single row, this way. And so depending on what page they're loaded on, they'll format in a different style, which is kind of nice. So, gotta get the bugs all out of that too, but it's working pretty well. And so this page is working fairly well too. Except for these icons are always wrong on anybody who doesn't have the old style page, so I have to fix that broken icon thing. Because it actually, it has to find out it has to figure out first whether you have the old style YouTube or the new style YouTube, blah, 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 and then everything's in a different location, so, well, it's not a big deal, but it's just sort of annoying. So, anyway, where's the guy? Oh, he's on the other one. See, this one goes by your channel pages. So this one's looking up channel pages. And this one goes by search results. Which gets a little fucked up as the text. People use stupid underlines and stuff. I have to kill the underlines and the wacky characters. This screws up the sizing. I have to fix that. So anyway, the guy I'm talking about is, where the hell did he go? Whatever his name is. Pukeheader. Oh, there he is over there. See, he's off the screen. the biggest flaw of antinatalism. So I'm going to get him later. So anyway, that's, I got lots of things to do. Lots and lots of things to do, damn it. Yeah, I think that's about it. Yeah. Sorry, it's longer than it should be. I'm not really good at not, talking too much. Okay, I'll hit the button. Sorry, I just drank a Coke.